How to create a winning proposal on UpTecHunt. Your skills are valuable, but getting noticed in a competitive freelance marketplace takes more than talent. Welcome to UpTecHunt, where we'll show you how to craft the perfect proposal that grabs clients' attention and lands you the job. Every great proposal starts with a hook. Address the client by name, acknowledge their specific needs, and demonstrate that you're not just applying to any job, you're applying to their job. Show genuine interest by digging into the project details. Highlight key aspects of the job that align with your skills and offer solutions specific to the client's challenges. This shows that you've truly understood what they need. Next, bring the focus to your experience. Include examples of past projects that are relevant to the job at hand. You've done it before, and this is your chance to prove it. Clients love freelancers who bring added value, offer solutions or ideas beyond what was asked for in the job post. This not only demonstrates expertise, but also builds trust, showing the client that you're invested in their success. Pricing matters. Research competitive rates for your skill set and location, but don't undersell yourself. Strike a balance between providing value and ensuring your rate reflects the quality of work you'll deliver. Your proposal should be a breeze to read. Keep it concise and confident. Clients are busy, so get to the point. Showing clarity and professionalism will leave a lasting impression. End with a strong, positive call to action. Invite the client to reach out, answer any questions, and express enthusiasm for the project. A simple, engaging close can seal the deal. At UpTecHunt, your talent deserves to shine. By following these steps, you'll create proposals that not only stand out, but resonate with clients and lead to success. Ready to land your next big project? Join UpTecHunt today and start crafting proposals that win clients over. UpTecHunt, empowering freelancers, enabling success.